So what is the alignment problem? The alignment problem is simply to what extent an AI agrees with our cultural norms, values, morals, etc. And you can already see why this might be a bit of an issue. What is the culturally agreed norm, value, moral truth across cultures? And even within a single country, there can be different ideas of what is right and what is wrong, and different opinions on what is right and what is wrong. So it's up to these AI companies to essentially work out what is right and what is wrong, what is a good response, what is not a good response. And the AI is in some way a reflection of our norms and values, but it's a sort of distorted version. It could be too inflexible or it could be too flexible, because if it reflects a wide range of norms and values, then it could say things that some people might find offensive. Not that I think that's necessarily the biggest problem, but it's a difficult issue, and I don't think there's a way of really dealing with it. I think that first problem, working out what cultural norms and values are across the human race, is very, very tricky, and that's why I think AI does need to be regulated on a super international level. So you're talking about like countries actually getting together and deciding, well, what should be the default position. That's going to be very, very difficult because you can't get anyone to agree with anything in multilateral debates. Like, it just doesn't happen. But you could go democratic, couldn't you? So whatever the majority goes with. And then there's also other issues, like how does a AI actually understand these cultural norms and values and morals? Because its conception and understanding of those things could be distinctly different from ours, and probably is. An AI could also place different weights on getting certain outcomes that a human might not. So it's a very, very difficult issue, and I'd like to talk about this further. Leave a comment below. What do you think about the alignment problem?